channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia Rose and I am a licensed cosmetologist in St. Louis, Missouri. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a flat iron review and first impression and unboxing with you guys. Now, this is a flat iron that I found through the company Launch. I've mentioned them in my last video. They promote a lot on Facebook, which is where I actually first found them. So I've got a few of their products. I've got a curling wand from them that I love. So I wanted to order a new flat iron. I needed a new flat iron anyway. So I went ahead and ordered one, and I'm going to be unboxing it and reviewing it with you guys today. If this is something that you're interested in, please keep watching. So this straightener is the Launch Reve, and this is how it looks. I love their packaging. Their curling wand that I purchased also had this little magnetic flap to open it. I can get it from this angle. Oh, it's under here. Just pull it on up and it's so pretty. It's blush. Blush is one of my favorite colors. So I did just want to mention a couple things first. This is a titanium iron. There are two major flat irons that you can buy, ceramic and titanium. Now, I always grew up using ceramic flat irons. Chi irons are ceramic. I don't think they're fully ceramic. I'm not sure. I just want to give you a couple of facts about the difference between ceramic and titanium irons. So ceramic irons are typically a little bit less expensive than titanium irons. Ceramic irons are best for fine, thinner hair. They heat up a little bit slower than a titanium iron, but they still heat up pretty quickly. Now, when I use ceramic irons, I noticed that they made my hair a little bit staticky, which I didn't like because I already have a lot of static and frizz naturally in my hair. So this will actually be the first flat iron I've bought that's fully titanium, so I'm really excited to try it. Titanium irons are best for thick, coarse, curly, textured hair that's a little bit harder to flat iron, and titanium irons heat up a lot quicker than ceramic irons. So just real quick on the back of the box, I'll just read you a couple descriptions that they have. So it is a titanium iron, like I mentioned. It has a 60-minute automatic shut off, which is really nice if you forget to unplug or turn off your styling tools. Heats up from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. It's got a 6-foot cord and a 360 power swivel cord, and it's got infrared lights. So I'll go ahead and unbox it for you guys. I actually purchased this quite a while ago, but I wanted to wait to use it so that I could show you guys first. So this is what it looks like. Comes with a little manual as well. It's got the cord wrapped up in the box. That out. Ooh, it's nice. Oh wow. The plates are even rose gold. Super pretty. If you guys saw my last video, you'd see my hair mask from Launch is actually exactly the same color. So I went ahead and unwrapped it and plugged it in. So it's got a little start button on the inside right here, and then it's got an up and down arrow to increase or decrease the heat. So wow, as you can see, it heats up very fast. And you can see the infrared lights on the inside as well. So I got this when I purchased an InStyler. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with that, but it's a little heat protector. So I actually use this for all my hot tools. I highly recommend it. So you're not burning your countertops. And then use my Mega Sleek Iron Smoother for my heat protectant. As you guys already know, super important. Now I actually washed my hair last night, blew dry it, and then slept in it, worked today, and then just kind of left alone all day. So you guys don't get to see how frizzy my hair actually is. And after I dry it, it's to about here. It gets huge. So it's a little bit flatter than it was last night. So I sprayed the heat protectant. I'm just gonna brush my hair through. And I clip my hair up because if I try and section it off with a ponytail, it takes forever for me to get the ponytail out, and then it gets caught in the ponytail sometimes. So I've just found it's easier to make a really ridiculous looking bun on my head and then just clip it if it stays. So I've got a lot of hair. Feels pretty secure. And then bring my hair forward. As you can see, my hair does not show all the way with my camera. So just have to work with me. So as you can see, it's heated up to 450. Like I've told you guys before, I do not ever use that high of heat on my hair. I have thick hair, but no one really needs that kind of heat. So I will start it out. We'll do usually do 350, but it looks like it's either 340 or 360. So we will do 340 just to be safe. So I'm just gonna set that down and then just brush through my hair. Now I use a smoothing oil after I flat iron or curl my hair, mainly so I don't get that product on my flat iron. And since this one's new, I really don't want to. Now, like I mentioned, I've never used this product, so I'm giving you guys my 100% honest review. So now it's at 340 degrees, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Kind of wish my hair was a little bit frizzier like it was yesterday, but looks like it's decreasing most of the frizz. It's so humid in St. Louis today. I went outside for a second to get a package and my hair got so frizzy and it's so humid. Now I will go through it once, let it cool, and then go through it again. A lot of people will just flat iron one piece over and over and over again. And that is so bad for your hair. So just be mindful of that. The flat iron you purchase depends on your hair type. If you have thinner hair, you can use a titanium flat iron. Just make sure your heat setting is a lot lower to work with your hair. All right, so that's the first section. Take that out. I usually section it in 3s. I could do more, but let's be honest, I'm a little lazy. All right. Flip this around, try not to choke yourself with your hair. Alright, at this point I'm just grabbing it, putting it in a bun, and then clipping it on my head. I do have thick hair, but humidity can sometimes cause my hair to look a little bit thinner. Oh well. Alright, brush that out. Alright, and we'll just try this section. This flat iron does have a little bit of a buzzing sound, I've noticed, but it seems to be working okay. Ooh. Now, to be honest with you guys, sometimes when I flatten my hair, I just keep all my hair down at once and do it because I get really lazy when it comes to flat ironing my hair. I'm not sure why. This does have a little grip here for you to hold the side, which is nice. It does get a little hot, but it's definitely not as hot as the rest of the flat iron. Grab this back section, run it down. Now my hair is pretty thick, and 340 degrees Fahrenheit is actually pretty hot. So I could probably go even lower than that. Whoops, that is part of my clipped hair. I mean, just be very careful. Just kind of feel it out before you start using it. You guys, doing my hair is such a chore. That's why I only shampoo my hair twice a week, because ain't nobody got time for this. You guys, I am really liking this so far. Wow. All right, last section. Has it been raining all week for anybody else? I'm tired of the rain. Seems like every time I go to film, it's dark outside, it's raining, so I will just put all of this forward. And then I typically start from the back to the front. I do this with curling my hair too. That way you can put all the back pieces towards your back and it's not in the way. And I like my ends to be curled under just a little bit. So I typically kind of just pull the ends in like that. And I'll stand stand up at the end so you guys can see this better. I know it's hard to see all my hair in this. You can't really tell because they're so long. I did give myself a face framing when I cut my hair, but it's grown out. Can't really see it. I like to curl that under as well and then pull the front pieces upward so it gives me a little bit more volume. Kind of like this. Pull it out and then down. So like I've told you guys before, I'm not a fan of flat hair on my head. I have a thin face, so when my hair is stick straight all the way down like this, it makes my head look even thinner and even smaller, and it can look kind of funny sometimes. Out, and then this front piece, pull it upward, and then face frame it in the front like that. I'm just gonna check and see if there's any pieces that I missed. Actually, I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see better. So now you can get a better feel for just how long my hair is. This is my belly button. This is the end of my hair. So I'm just gonna do probably one more pass just towards my ends. I don't like to put a lot of heat on my new growth. Let's see. Down. I don't know about you guys, but I get a lot of frizz at my ends. So I can minimize that. That is helpful. What do you guys think so far? I have not flat ironed my hair like this in so long. My hair is even longer than I thought it was. I'm literally on my tippy toes so you guys can see my hair. All right. I would say I am pretty impressed. My hair feels a lot softer. My ends are pretty manageable. My hair looks shinier. I'm actually very happy with this flat iron, you guys. You guys can see the back. This is the back of my hair. You can see all of it. You know, it's really long. Let me know what you think in the comments. Lange is having a really big 50% off sale. This one normally retails for, I believe, $170. I got it for $99. So I will link this down below for you guys to snag yours if you want. Now I'm just going to finish off my look with the Lange Luster Spray Laminate. Now I love sprays like this, but I do not spray them directly on my hair. They can get really greasy. No one likes that look. So I will go ahead and just spray it in my palm. Be careful when you spray it. If it gets on the floor, it's very slick. My husband and I have slid in the hallway several times because of that. I'll show you again. Just kind of run it through your ends. Rub it through the back. Wow, you guys, I'm really impressed with this. Honestly, I would give this a 10 out of 10. Honest opinion. Alright, well that's it for today, you guys. If you would like to see a tutorial on how I use my wand to get my nice big curls, leave a comment down below. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please let me know. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.